Hi and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I'm going to show you how the Manta scraper works. So whenever you purchase the software, you will get 120 modules that will help you with your marketing. You can see a list in autopostingtools.com, and the one that we are going to be talking today is here on the business lead scraper. It's called Manta Lead Finder. So you click on this, and what you'll see is that you will type the service that you want. In this case, let's say graphic design. So what this is going to do is going to go to Manta and it's going to look for people or companies that do graphic design. I click on view and then this is going to show up. So in this case, it's matching my city. Obviously, if you have a different city, you could just look here and type a different city location there. So that way you could have your own results. And what we have here is we have all this content, and it contains some companies that are related to our business. In this case, if you do Control U, this is going to show you the source code, and then it's going to contain all the information. Now, if we do Control A and we select everything, Control C, we could copy all the information, even if it's hidden because I'm using an ad blocker. It's going to extract the information anyway. So I just will paste my code there and I will click extract leads. And this is going to extract all the leads that were on the business on the source code of the page. So as you can see, this is all from the list. Now, this is the information that we get: the company, the address, the city, the state, the postal code, the phone number, the description, the website, and the Manta link. So let's say that we wanted to get the owner name, the owner email, and all this other information. For example, if I wanted to get the information for this company, what I could do is I click source code Manta, Control A, Control C, I paste it, and I click extract info. And this will get me the information, like the owner name, the owner email, the job title, and if available, it give me all this other information. I could keep doing that. Let's say I do this one. I do source code Manta. It opens the page, Control A, Control C, paste it here, and extract info. And here it's going to be filling all this information. And I could keep doing that, and this is going to give me the owner, the email, and all that information for me if it finds it. If it's not available, it's not going to show up. And I could just keep getting more information. In this case, this used to be automated, but because Manta implemented some security measures for scraping, this, if you do open it through the system that we used to have, it's going to detect it as if it were a bot. So for example, let's type here www.manta.com and we click on navigate, and this is going to detect that we are, in this case it didn't do it, but most of the time it's going to detect that we are a bot, and then it's going to block us. So this was the solution: open it into a web browser, because Manta cannot know if you're navigating to this web browser like if you were a real business or if you are a bot. So because he cannot block you access to this page, and because they give you the source code, you're able to copy the source code into here, paste it there, and then we analyze it for you to give you everything into a nice spreadsheet that you could create. In this case, you could clean up this if you don't want here. First, you could delete the selected items that you don't want. You could clear the table. You could save it in Excel. If you have phone numbers, you could export the phone numbers. So these are phone numbers from people on graphic design that are on this list that you could contact and offer your services. Here you could remove duplicates, so that meaning that if they have the same company name, they will get removed. In this case, these are not duplicates, so I'm not going to do that. If you get the website for the business, you could also check the business website. So in this case, I'm checking that one. And the idea of this is that if you check the website, you could see if their website is good or not. And if it's good or not, if it's good, you just move to the next one. If it's not good, let's say copy the website URL. We could check if this is a mobile-friendly website. And if it's a mobile-friendly website, then we could we just ignore it. And if it's not mobile, then we can offer that service for them. This link needs to be updated, and we're going to be putting a new link to check if the website is mobile. And here, this one could do a SEO report where we could open up the page, and we're going to paste our URL, and this is going to tell us what's wrong with this website. So what we can do is whenever we get these free reports get started, we are going to see what the report come up with. And if we see that this website has problems, what we could do is tell them, hey, your website has this, and this problem. I can fix it for you, and I'm going to charge you this much. And then if they want to do it, then basically you will just do you will do the work, and then they will pay you for that service, which will be fixing their problem. So this is not free anymore, but basically you could do some free reports with a different website, and basically it's going to tell you what's wrong, and then that you could fix that for them, and then you fix it, they pay you, and you make money. So basically, this is how the Manta Lead Finder works. Thank you for watching. Get it done at bussiness.com. Bye.